Bitcoin goes parabolic. Understanding the reasons and mechanics behind Bitcoin's meteoric rise. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most captivating phenomena in the world of cryptocurrency: Bitcoin going parabolic. It's when the price of Bitcoin skyrockets rapidly, creating a frenzy among investors and traders alike. But why does this happen? And how does it work? Let's find out. To understand why Bitcoin goes parabolic, we need to look at a combination of factors that create a perfect storm. First and foremost, Bitcoin's limited supply plays a significant role. As you may know, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, which means it's a deflationary asset. This scarcity creates a sense of urgency among investors to buy and hold Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value, driving up demand. Another factor is global events. Geopolitical and macroeconomic events, such as economic crises, government regulations, and trade wars, can affect traditional financial markets and erode trust in fiat currencies. During times of uncertainty, Bitcoin, being decentralized and borderless, can be seen as a safe haven asset, leading to increased demand and a surge in its price. Institutional adoption is also a crucial driver behind Bitcoin's parabolic rise. As more traditional financial institutions, corporations, and even governments start to embrace Bitcoin as an investment asset, it gains credibility and legitimacy in the eyes of mainstream investors. This increased institutional demand can lead to significant price surges as large players enter the market. The power of media and social media cannot be underestimated either. News about Bitcoin, whether it's positive or negative, can spread like wildfire, creating hype and FOMO, fear of missing out, among retail investors. Social media platforms, influencers, and celebrity endorsements can amplify the buzz around Bitcoin, leading to increased buying pressure and driving the price higher. Now, let's talk about how Bitcoin goes parabolic. When demand for Bitcoin outstrips supply, it creates a buying frenzy. As more and more investors rush to buy Bitcoin, the price starts to rise exponentially, forming a parabolic curve on the price chart. This rapid rise can trigger automated buying orders, short squeezes, and margin calls, leading to a self-fulfilling cycle of buying and driving the price even higher. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin's parabolic rise also comes with risks. The price of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, and a sudden reversal can result in significant losses for investors. It's crucial to exercise caution, do your research, and manage your risk carefully when investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. And there you have it, folks. The reasons and mechanics behind Bitcoin's parabolic rise. From limited supply and global events to institutional adoption and media coverage, multiple factors come together to create a perfect storm for Bitcoin to go parabolic. But remember, as exciting as it may be, always approach cryptocurrency investment with caution. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.